Tianbao Machinery is a technology-based enterprise, specializing in the developing and manufacturing of automation equipment for polyethylene PE film and other packaging materials processing. It has obtained National High-Tech Enterprise certification in 2021. It has two subsidiaries, QB Intelligent Machinery Co. Limited and Guangzhou Tianbao Machinery Industry Co. Limited. The factory is located in Zhaoqing National High-Tech Zone, with a production workshop area of more than 10,000 square meters. With the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area as the core, Tianbao Machinery insists on the tenet of quality first and reputation based, puts customers at the core, and looks at the global market. Through continuous technological innovation, we help our customers save costs, improve production efficiency, and enhance competitive advantages. Tianbao Machinery has a professional technical R&D team that adheres to continuous innovation and is committed to developing and manufacturing top intelligent technology equipment in the industry. It has developed and produced a series of advanced automation equipment and has attained more than 60 technical patents. The company currently has more than 100 experienced technical personnel, an excellent sales team, a professional after-sales service team to assist the company continuously develop and grow. Since its establishment, Tianbao Machinery has developed and manufactured more than 40 types of PE film fabrication equipment, which have been exported to more than 100 countries and regions around the world, and have been unanimously recognized by customers. 10 years of development and innovation, 10 years of win-win cooperation. We Tianbao people will never forget our original aspiration and move forward with determination. Let us go hand in hand with our global customers to create a better future